G'day, I'm Mark from LJ Hooker East Gosford, and today I'd like to welcome you to my mid-month market report. We're going to cover off what's been happening, what's happening now and what we expect to happen in the next few months. So looking back, January 2016, we saw LJ Hooker East Gosford exchange a total of 19 contracts. We saw a low selling point of 306,500 in Arimba, which was a block of dirt, through to a high selling point for the month of January in Lisaro, a large 5-bedroom home for 750,000. So the market's been quite strong in January. We've seen it came back from last year a seller's market, still currently a seller's market. So moving forward to February, we're in mid-February, we're seeing that the market's still controlled by a low number of stock, great interest rates, and we're seeing it continues to be that seller's market we saw last year, just not quite as hot. As the time moves forward, we're seeing investors come back into the market, whereas just before Christmas we saw them pretty much scoot away as they were expecting capital growth to sort of calm down. We're still seeing single figures, but definitely strong capital growth for the Central Coast region, which is great. So moving forward, it's good to see, though we're in a seller's market, we're moving towards that balanced market. An indicator to this is simply days on market, the average time it takes to sell real estate in the area. June, July, August last year, we saw an all-time low of somewhere between 3 and 7 days. It blew out to about 20 to 30 days prior to Christmas. We're still in that space. But as we move forward, in the next 3 to 4, maybe 6 months, we'll see it become a balanced market where we're at 40 to 65 days to sell real estate, which is a good place to be. Gives sellers time to make up their mind on what they want to do next, and buyers a bit more time to have a look around, not in be such an urgent rush to buy today or they'll miss out in 10 seconds, as it felt like last year. So that's great for everybody and great for the industry as a whole. Really good idea to keep a close eye, especially for investors, to keep a close eye on that waterfront precinct of Gosford, as we see a lot of developments last year approved, now starting to see movement in construction starting to occur. Looking forward to seeing some big cranes in the CBD, and when that does occur, the factual event that it's occurring means that we'll see some significant capital growth in that sort of Point Frederick, Gosford waterfront and Point Clare area, something to really keep a focus on and keep a close eye on, because there's some great opportunities there at the moment. Thanks for your time today. I really look forward to some feedback. If you could just leave some comments on the boxes below, I'd really appreciate that. Thanks and have a great day.